Hey there. So, we get a bit of a problem on our hands with a file that contains a flag line and some pesky blank lines that we want to remove. The task at hand involves ensuring that any empty lines before the flag line are eliminated from the file. We're looking for a solution that involves using a standard text manipulation tool, like sed, to tackle this problem effectively. Now, let's dive into the solution provided. The key snippet of code we're focusing on involves a sed script that uses a loop to load lines into the pattern space until a non-empty line is encountered. Once we reach a line that isn't empty, the script looks for a specific pattern, #end-of-dynamic section, and removes any preceding empty lines if this pattern is present and there is more than one loaded line. In essence, the script efficiently handles the removal of unwanted blank lines before a target flag line. In summary, we've uncovered a neat sed script that effectively deals with the issue of removing blank lines before a specific flag line in a file. By understanding how the script operates, we can streamline our text manipulation process and keep our files tidy and organized. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And as always, stay curious and keep on scripting.